Hello, and welcome back. Hopefully all of you are humans, but just to be sure, click that subscribe button so that we know there is no AI hidden among us. AI is rapidly replacing many jobs. A June 2023 report by McKinsey stated that AI would automate 60 to 70% of employee workloads. According to data from Challenger, Gray and Christmas Incorporation, AI is responsible for nearly 4,000 cuts made in May 2023 alone. Another report by McKinsey Global Institute suggests that by 2030, AI could represent 30% of the hours worked in the US economy, and the report estimates that an additional 12 million occupational transitions may be required in the US alone by 2030. All in all, by 2030, it is estimated that AI will wipe out a whopping 300 million full-time jobs from the job market. Take AI tools like midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Leonardo.ai. These generative artificial intelligence tools are capable of generating stunning images in a matter of seconds from text or images. Equipped with advanced algorithms and deep learning models, they analyze the current trends, styles, prompt, and even user preference to generate the unique and stunning results which may even rival the greatest artists and designers. Other tools, like Runway Generation 2, can convert the text-based prompts or images to strikingly unique and pleasing video clips, which at first glance present the view of high-budgeted animated movies. So what does that mean for human graphic designers, digital artists, animators, and video editors? And these are just to name a few on the surface which will be affected by the AI. As how I see it, it's either to equip yourself with these amazing tools or be replaced by them. Industries like gaming, interior designing, and animated films will experience major changes due to the arrival of the new Revolutionizing AI by Nvidia, which can render the images which once took hours much faster and better. Here are the two images, one rendered manually and other with the AI. So what does that mean for gaming industry? Let's have a look at the new Nvidia Ace software, which can use ray tracing to bring the digital characters to life. Let's look at an example of digital character, which is transformed into the realistic talking human.
We are thrilled to showcase an immersive and dynamic interaction between a player Kai and a non-playable character named Jin. This captivating ramen shop scene was created by Nvidia using the latest RTX rendering technologies. Nvidia collaborated with Convey, an Nvidia Inception partner, to showcase how developers will soon be able to use Nvidia Riva, Nemo, and Audio to Face for AI-powered speech, conversation, and animation. These models were integrated into the Convey Services platform and fed into Unreal Engine 5 and MetaHuman to bring Jin to life. Please take a look.
Hey Jen, how are you?
Unfortunately, not so good.
How come?
I am worried about the crime around here. It's gotten bad lately. My ramen shop got caught in the crossfire.
Can I help?
If you want to do something about this, I have heard rumors that the powerful crime lord Kuman Aoki is causing all sorts of chaos in the city. He may be the root of this violence.
I'll talk to him. Where can I find him?
I have heard he hangs out in the underground fight clubs on the city's east side. Try there.
Okay, I'll go.
Be careful, Kai.
But surely, they still need humans for the voiceover of the characters. Right? Well, actually, no. There are many generative AI sounds in the market, which sounds exactly like a real human, with emotions and pitch adjusted. According to the situation, it can be happy, or it can be sad, or angry, all according to the user's preference. Check how cool this is.
It's so dark. Where is it? I can't see it. I can't see anything. But I know it's there. Waiting.
The beige hue on the waters of the loch impressed all, including the French Queen.
Cool, right? Even news anchors may need to look for another job as AI is making its way into the industry, as many countries opted for the tireless news anchor. At the Fifth World Internet Conference in East China's Zhejiang province, Chinese viewers were greeted with a digital version of a regular Xinhua news anchor named Chu Hao. And it's not just China. Many countries like Pakistan and India has joined in the fun with their own AI newscasters. Maybe next time you're watching a news channel, you may find an AI news anchor, or if you switch to weather forecast, you may find a beautiful AI weathercaster filling in you about weather conditions. Another industry which will be greatly affected is customer care and support industry. Maybe not in short term, but in long term, as AI powered by machine learning is getting more and more efficient in catering the customer's needs in recent years. Recently, AI has shown up everywhere, from taking orders to conversational AI like chatgpt, which provide customized solutions and cater to the client needs. Companies like IBM have already begun replacing part of their workforce with AI-powered tools. According to a report by Gartner, worldwide spending on conversational AI technology in customer service centers for 2023 is projected to increase by 16.2% from 2022, totaling a whopping $18.6 billion. With the arrival of new self-driving autonomous vehicle, what will it mean to the future of drivers? Right now, there may not be fully autonomous vehicle on the road, but slowly and steadily, we're getting there, and in just a few years, we might find fully autonomous taxis on the road. Imagine calling an Uber and your ride arrives without a driver. Will you be excited or afraid of potential risks? According to Fox Business, quoting AI expert Kai-Fu Lee, who has worked for Apple and Google, AI will increasingly replace repetitive jobs. Chauffeurs, truck drivers, anyone who does driving for a living, their jobs will be disrupted more in the 15 to 25-year time frame. In this video, we have only talked about a selective few industries that will be affected by the AI. In a longer run, many more professions and jobs will be affected by the ever-advancing AI wave. So what does that mean for us humans? It means we also need to develop ourselves. Instead of being replaced by AI, let's try to integrate it in our daily life. Be positive and develop to the AI utopia instead of the feared AI dystopia. That's all for today. Let's meet again someday, at same place, some other time, and maybe with another you.